Good morning from our cruise ship. Today, we have arrived at Cozumel, Mexico, one of the most popular cruise destinations in the Caribbean.
Cozumel is famous for its crystal clean blue water, relaxing island atmosphere, shopping, local food, and fun ocean activities like snorkeling and diving.
Before getting off the ship, we can see today's information on the screen. Today's itinerary is Cozumel, Mexico, and all aboard time is 5:30 p.m. So don't forget to come back to the ship on time.
Now we are getting off the ship and heading toward the Cozumel Port area. It's only about a 5 to 10 minute walk from the ship. Today the ocean is a little rough and the wind is pretty strong, but the water still looks beautiful with that bright blue Caribbean color.
Right over here is Margaritaville. We will come back later to relax here after exploring the port. As soon as we enter the port area, there are many local people showing maps and tour information. If you want to take a taxi, go snorkeling, explore the island, or join an excursion, you can talk with them and compare different tour options.
The duty-free store was already closed when we arrived, so we are not sure what happened there. But there are still many souvenirs shops all open around the port. They sell all kinds of Mexican souvenirs like bags, clothes, toys, hats, jewelry, handmade crafts, and much more. Here is also a nice shaded area where people can sit down and take a short rest after walking around in the hot weather.
Over here, we can see a small Mexican culture performance area. It's a nice way for visitors to experience a little bit of traditional Mexican culture while visiting Cozumel. Right here, we can see a live mariachi performance. The musicians are wearing traditional Mexican outfits and playing lively music that makes the whole place feel fun and energetic.
A lot of tourists stop here to watch the show, take pictures, and enjoy the atmosphere. If you want to buy wine, local drinks, there are also stores here that you can visit. I bought toys for my kids here, and the prices were actually pretty good.
After a long walk, Margaritaville is a really nice place to relax. There are a lot of people here enjoying drinks, talking with friends and family, listening to music, and enjoying the ocean view. The atmosphere feels very relaxing and fun.
After passing the bar area, we can see the ocean again from another side of the port. The view here feels more open and peaceful with the bright blue water. There is also another live bar showtime here. People are relaxing, enjoying drinks, and having a great vacation time. It makes the whole port area feel lively and exciting.
Over here is the entrance where people can ride small boats to explore farther away from the port area. Some tours take visitors snorkeling, fishing, scuba diving, or sightseeing around the island. It's a fun way to enjoy the beautiful Caribbean water and see more of Cozumel.
That's our quick tour around Cozumel Cruise Port in Mexico. If you enjoy cruise travel videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more cruise adventures.